Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Thank you.
Scratch, 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 scratch. And I will flatten myself like this. And now I am hiding. And I can see you. I like looking at you. But wait a minute, if I can see you, then you can see me. And that is a bit drafty in here, I must say. So maybe I'm not hidden. I will turn this way. Yes? And I will scratch, 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 scratch. And I will bury myself again. And I will flatten my legs this time. That was the problem last time. My legs were not flattened, so I'm flat. No, I still Here is the secret key. I cannot see you. That way you cannot see me.
Mine! It's mine, Mum!
Hell no, man. Who does he think we are? Half dog, half dolphin out here?
Maybe lock on door and turn the lights down. Ow! But you try to sneak up on me? Oh, that's me.
I just woke up. Let me get up. I'm lazy as hell.
Oh, wait!